and I really like its sound. So I want to compare how my old N Pro 2 with Cherry Max Brown sounds like to the new one. So this is the sound of the old one. Let's go. Not like make. Alright, yeah, it sounds pretty tinny and kind of loud. I also find myself typing on it quite slowly. So now let's compare that to my new one, Lofree Edge, with those Kyle switches. It's extremely flat. Let me change the keyboard here. And it sounds, gotta say, it sounds kind of cool. Oops. The key travel is much smaller, so it has like a very low profile. So I find myself typing on it actually faster than on the mechanical keyboard, especially when doing like extreme hacker typing. That's it.